Today, I'm going to show you the proper way to make a blank page in Microsoft Word. So notice right here, I only have one page. To make a second one, some people will just click here and they'll hit enter till they get to the bottom. And then they're like, oh, I made a second page. But there's a problem with this. Don't do it this way, because if you have a page here and then let's say you want a page here, it's not actually going to work, because you're going to come back to page 1 and you're going to start typing more items. You're going to type for page 1, keep typing, and then come back down to page 2 and your title is missing. You just pushed it down from pressing the enter key. So then you come up here and you try to fix it. So you hit delete. But the same thing is going to happen over and over again. And you could have 30 pages in this document and you have to keep doing that to every single page. So here we are back at the beginning. If we scroll down, we can see we don't have extra pages. We only have one page. How do we add this blank page properly? Go up to your ribbon and go to Insert. In the Pages section, left-click Blank Page. Notice now it's created a second page, but check it out. If I add a page title, and then I add more text to the page 1, add some more text here, notice it's not being pushed down. So it looked like it moved our page title, but it really didn't. It actually inserted a new page here, and our page title is just fine, but it is now page 3. So no matter what we add to the top up here, this page title will always be at the top of this page, and this is the proper way to do it. This would be a great time to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's quick, easy, and it's free. Once again, we're back at the beginning, and I'm going to show you the other way to add a page. What if you were typing this page and you realized, you know what, this paragraph here should really be its own page. So you set it up with maybe a little page title or paragraph title. So I want this to start the page. You simply click where the other one ends. So this is going to be page 1. So I'm going to left click here and go up to the ribbon under Insert, under the Page section, and then left click Page Break. So look what it's done. Where I did the page break, it's created a gap here and then started the next section on a brand new page. If I go up here and add more text, once again, it's not affecting this page. And if you want to see what's happening, just go up here to Home, and then under Paragraph, choose this Show Formatting button, left click on that, and then it's going to reveal the formatting. So this symbol is a paragraph symbol, showing us that it's a new paragraph. Each of these is a paragraph symbol. And then look at this, it says page break, actually showing us. So let's say we wanted a page over here and we did it the wrong way. If I just keep hitting enter, it creates that new page, but it's filling it with these paragraph symbols, and that's why this way doesn't work. When you do it the proper way, it just says page break and then nothing is there to push down. If this helped you at all, please give this a like and subscribe. This would be a great time to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's quick, easy, and it's free.